All right, welcome to the SS NoPants. You kick me off cruise ships, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take you on my own. First time off the dock. Maybe. Oh, we're moving. Holy crap. Frank, it worked. I think we're going for a ride. Bye, dry land. Holy crap, it works. Problem is I have to figure out how to steer a motor, a thing backwards. Holy crap, it works. Let's go fast. I got a boat. Oh, you should wake Mark up. Ask him if he wants to go on a little boat ride. Just making sure we don't hit anything. Holy crap! Okay, I'm forgetting I'm steering in reverse. Like, okay, here we go. Now I'm starting to understand. Look at the speed going. This thing actually floats. Shit, we got a boat. Shit. We can sit in the nice chairs and pilot the boat from our neck remote. They're a little wet. They're a little moist. Come on, Frank, that's pretty cool. No noise. Straighten it out. I have this little neck remote right here.
See, that's impressive to me. I don't know nothing about that.
But that's why I wired it all up this morning. Okay, so I have to steer the opposite direction I want to go because it's on the bow. Yahoy! There's the lot. Yahoy! You landlubbers. Would you like permission to come aboard, Karen? Permission to come aboard. It's completely silent. That's the best part. I'm trying to figure out how to steer it. Yay! We need beer. Okay, now we're coming straight towards the dock, maybe. No, I want to go this way to go that way. I'm still figuring out how to drive the damn boat. That's all I'm saying. And then straighten it. There's no straighten button. That'd be nice if there's a straighten button. Yaha!